Hi Vinayak, how are
Hi,
you?
ma'am. I'm fine, man. Good. How are you?
Yeah, Vinayak, good. So this is Megha from Quality Department. So ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Okay,
ಹೇಳಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ್.
Vinayak, based in Haveri, 3 months of training in CMTI. I took CSM. Learning was quite good. Like, I attended all the classes and all the site visits, all the programs, and all faculties.
Then how did you got to know about CMTI?
Friends, my friends are friends. That's it.
Friends. Okay. Okay. What is different between Haveri and Bangalore? What difference you got there?
Differences are there. Like,
Okay. What
very
you learned in Bangalore compared to that?
patience in traffic
Good.
and food allowances and difference between Bangalore food and mom food.
Okay, Vinayak. Like which course you have taken here?
CSCM.
CSM. Okay. Certificate course on Advanced Construction Management, right? So, what and all you have learned in the training period?
Site visits, bar bending schedule, so many are there. Like I can't remember now.
Few names of site visits you have visited.
I attended RNC plant, Victoria Hospital, and that's it. Like three to four.
Okay. So, you have gained your knowledge, practical knowledge through site visits, right?
Yeah,
Mhm. Yeah, Vinayak. How was the trainers towards you?
they are also good.
Trainers.
Good man,
Yeah.
good.
Can you give some feedback regarding trainers?
Natarajan sir, especially Natarajan sir is very good, especially some practical knowledge, like has more practical knowledge, especially Natarajan sir and no expecting the all are good man. Natarajan sir is too good. That's it.
Okay. Okay, Vinayak. And how was the softwares and all?
Two software like SketchUp and AutoCAD.
Okay.
Good, good man. Good, good.
Fine. Okay, Vinayak. And how was Ashok sir towards you?
I don't have any conversation with him. Like I know, sir. That's it. I don't have any solid conversations with him.
Okay, that's fine.
That's it, man.
Okay, all the best for your features.
Well,
Congratulations.
thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, and
Yeah.
you too, man.